Hi, I'm Charlie Venuto, and I am the Science Alternate Chair for the Save Our Indian River Lagoon Citizens Oversight Committee. I came to Melbourne to attend graduate school at the Florida Institute of Technology, where I studied under Dr. John Treffery. As part of my research, I was studying heavy metals in the Indian River Lagoon mullet. To collect my samples, I went out with a commercial fisherman, and we would leave the docks in the evening before sunset and would stay out on the lagoon the entire night, coming back in the morning. There was often a very impressive set of fish that were harvested during the night, and including some of the large so-called gator trout. Back in this time period, around 1979 and 80, the Indian River Lagoon was known as the sea trout capital of the world. But you know, that's a phrase you don't hear uttered anymore. The lagoon is a geographical feature that unites our county and our region. If there's one thing that we can all rally around, it's to stop the decline of the lagoon and to restore it to its natural beauty and prominence. There are many things we can all do to help the lagoon, and a couple of things that I participate in include litter cleanups, oyster restoration habitat, as well as picking up after my dog. There's a great plan to restore the lagoon, and it's based on scientific principles. I think the most important things we have in our plan are to remove the muck, because the muck is contributing to a nitrogen and phosphorus loading and also covers the bottom sediments. And we also need to stop the input from nearby septic systems and from stormwater runoff. It's going to take time. It took a long time to get us into this decline, and it's going to take us a while to get back. But with patience and perseverance, we can restore the lagoon back to what it was like in the 1970s and 80s. And if we do it right, maybe we could even restore ourselves to the sea trout capital of the world.